This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf Black Label 22RRBL is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Willow Street, Pennsylvania, 17584 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Willow Street. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a Acadia interior, sleeps 4, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.